Let's look at this question from CAT 2017 DILR section of slot 1. Healthy Bites is a fast food joint serving 3 items: burgers, fries, and ice cream. It has 2 employees, Anish and Bani, who prepare the items ordered by the clients. Preparation time is 10 minutes for a burger and 2 minutes for an order of an ice cream. Okay, this is critical information. An employee can prepare only one of these items at a time. The fries are prepared in an automatic fries machine, hopefully, which can prepare up to 3 portions of fries at a time and takes 5 minutes irrespective of the number of portions. Okay. The fryer does not need an employee to constantly attend to it, and we can ignore the time taken by an employee to start and stop the fryer. Thus, an employee can be engaged in preparing other items while frying is on. However, fries cannot be prepared in anticipation of future orders. Okay, so effectively the first few lines tell me for burgers I'll need 10 minutes, for ice cream I'll need 2 minutes, and somebody has to attend to them constantly. But for fries it will take 5 minutes. You can make 3 at a time, and you don't need constant supervision for this. Okay. The fries do not need. Okay. Healthy Bites wishes to serve orders as early as possible. The individual items in any order are served as and when ready. However, when the order is considered to be completely served only when all the items of that order are served. Fine. The table below gives the orders of 3 clients and the times at which they place the orders. Okay, so I have 3 clients, burger, 3 portions of fries, blah and blah. We have their orders here. Fine. We look at the individual questions now. For all the individual questions, there are specific options. No, cannot be determined. No, none of these. None of the questions start off with if. But if you paid attention to the subpart, the first 2 questions have the same instruction, and for 3 and 4 you have other instructions. So these need to be solved 2 at a time. Let's look at them. First question is, assume that only one client's order can be processed at any given point of time. So Anish or Bani cannot start preparing a new order while the previous order is being prepared. At what time is the order placed by client 1 completely served? Okay. So the first order comes in at 10. There is 1 burger, 3 portion of fries, and 1 order of ice cream. Fine. So for a burger, Anish will work and he will get it ready by 10:10. For an ice cream, Bani will work and get it ready by 10:2. And the fries can be independently prepared by either of them, and this can be done by 10:05. So the first order can be completely done latest by 10:10. So at what time is the order placed by client 1 completely served? The answer will be option B, 10:10. Okay. Question 2. Assume that only one client's order can be processed at any given point of time. So Anish or Bani cannot start preparing a new order while the previous order is being prepared. At what time is the order placed by client 3 completely served? Fine. So by 10:10, they are only doing the first client. So at 10:10, they will start the work on the second client. They will start work on the order of the second client. He's got fries, so it will go on till 10:15 for him there. And 1 order of ice cream. Either of them can work on it. So I'm saying Anish worked on it. So till 10:12, ice cream, Anish worked on it. So the second order gets done by 10:15. The third order will start only at 10:15 now. Will start only at 10:15. Fine. And the order is 1 burger and 1 portion of fries. So Anish will take up till 10:25 to do the burger, and fries will get done in 5 minutes. So it takes till 10:20. So at what time is the order placed by client 3 completely served? It will get done by 10:25. Therefore, the answer for the second question will be option C, 10:25. Let's look at the other two subparts. Suppose the employees are allowed to process multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be to finish orders of the clients who placed their orders earlier. At what time is the order placed by client 2 completely served? Fine. Let's look at this now. I have Anish. I have Bani. So the first order comes in at 10. Anish will start working on the burger and he will be engaged till 10:10. Bani will start working on ice cream. She'll be engaged till 10:2. And fries, nobody is required for fries. She's working on ice cream. And nobody is required for fries. Fries will be ready by 10:05. Now, when the second order comes in at 10:05, see, Anish would still be engaged, but Bani would be free. So Bani will start working on this and she will get it ready by 10:07. The ice cream for the second order will be ready by 10:07, but the two portion of fries, they will go until 10:10. So at what time is the order placed by client 2 completely served? It will get served by 10:10. So the answer to the third question will be option A, 10:10. Okay. Suppose the employees are allowed to process multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be to finish the orders of clients who placed their orders earlier. Also assume that the fourth client came in at 10:35. So nobody has come in after 10:07 till 10:35. Between 10 o'clock and 10:30, how many minutes is exactly one of the employees idle? Okay, so the second order is getting processed at 10:10. The third order comes in at 10:07. The third order comes in at 10:07. Now see, the third order is one portion of fries and one burger. At 10:07, Bani is free. So she'll start working on the burgers and then she will finish this by 10:17. And one portion of fries would be ready for the third order by 10:15. Okay, so look at Anish. He has only worked for the first 10 minutes and then he's free. Bani worked for the first 2 minutes, then for 10:05 to 10:07, and then from 10:07 to 10:17. Can you see from 10:02 to 10:05? Bani is chilling. Bani is free, she's not doing anything. So, and from 10:05 she's again busy, 10:05 to 10:07. Okay, but from 10:05 not 10:05, from 10:07 to 10:10. Sorry, nothing from 10:07. Nothing from 10:07. I'm extremely sorry. What am I doing? From 10:02 to 10:05, Bani is free. She gets done with the second order, the second client's order at 10:07. But at 10:07 itself, she starts working on the burger for the third client. Anish, on the other hand, from 10:10 to 10:17 is free. Anish is free for this period, and from 10:17 to 10:30 both are free. The question asks me, suppose the employees are allowed, okay, between 10:10 and 10:30, how many minutes is exactly one of the employees idle? So it would be 3 minutes from here and 7 minutes from here. The time for which exactly one of the employees is free would be 10 minutes, and therefore the answer to question number 4 will be option B, 10. That is it. There is nothing more in this question to solve.